Welcome to this week's video, and we're checking out the 2019 Stephen Hawking 50p coin, but this is the silver-proof Piedfort edition, which means that it's double the thickness of a standard 50p coin. And this is how it arrived in this black box presentation, and that's the front, and then the back, some info there, and then on these sides you don't get anything, but here you get treasure for life, and on the other side a breakdown of what the coin is. So 2019 UK 50p silver-proof Piedfort coin, Stephen Hawking. And I'm just going to open this up now, and you can have a look at how the coin's presented and all the information that you get. So we'll just put that to one side. That's the box that has the coin in it, and then that is the information slip. So I'll just open this up. So first of all, we've got some information there, and I'll do my usual thing where I just scan it and leave it long enough so that you can pause this and read it at your own pace if you so wish. And we open up the rest of that. Well, it goes this way. Info on the design. And then that's how that side all looks. So we'll bring it over to the other side and look at the information down the side. And if you've seen the video on the standard silverproof, you'll already know that the middle part is this information about black holes. So I'll just try and get all this information. So that you can learn all about it. And then back up the other side. And then we can check the coin out itself. That's pretty cool. Some good information there. So we can just fold that back up and put it to one side for now. And then the box. And inside we have the coin. I'll just take out the information slip, which is the COA. And of course I've covered up my COA number, and then you get that information, and then just a hologram on the back and the address, and then we get the coin specifications. So the denomination is 50p, the alloy is 925 AG sterling silver, the weight is 16 grams, diameter 27.30 millimeters. The obverse designer is Jody Clark and the reverse designer Edwina Ellis. The quality is proof, and the maximum coin mintage on the Piedfort edition is 2,500 in this presentation only, and there is only 2,500 in total. So that's pretty cool. Let's have a look at the coin itself. So it's in its own capsule. Let's take that out. We'll start off by having a good old look at this side of the coin. See if I can get that in the light, just so you can see how perfect that proof finish is. But of course, this is the interesting side. Look at that design. Let's see if I can manipulate that in the light, just to see if you can see almost like the optical illusion of the coin. Absolutely amazing. And you can probably just about see there that the coin is raised outside of its foam casing inside of the capsule. And that is because it is double the thickness. I am hoping to make a video before long about Piedfort coins, my whole collection, and therefore I'll be able to actually take them out with white gloves and show you exactly how cool these coins are. But yeah, let me know in the comment section below. Have you got any of the Stephen Hawking coins? Maybe you've got the brilliant uncirculated, the standard silverproof, or maybe you've got this Piedfort. Maybe one or two of you have actually got the gold proof edition. But let me know in the comment section below, because that always interests me. Please leave a like if you enjoyed this video, and please subscribe for future content on coins. Thanks for watching.